Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to show touches on screen recording on your VIVO X300. So if you're recording your screen and want viewers to see where you tap, I'll show you how to enable touch indicators on your VIVO X300. Trust me, it's super simple. So scroll up here into your panel right here. And as you can see, I have a screen recording button right here, and if you don't have it, click on this pencil right here and find on this list a screen recording button and hold and drag it to upper area to edit. So as I have it already, I'll show you. Just click and hold it like this, and now your screen recording settings is open. And here you can see display touch trajectory. So just turn it on and I'll show you how it looks. As you can see, there is a small dot like this, and it will be visible on your video recording as well. So just like this. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.